of all the element m such that m is greater than or equal to 2 and m is integer. Instead of that vertical line, Ruchi, this vertical line is used only once in that implicit form. When you want to write multiple characteristics, it is written in terms of word and AMD. So don't use that vertical line again. Are you getting, Ruchi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Viraj is saying 2 is what is A is collection of n such that n is greater than or equal to 2 and n modulo 2 is equal to 0. Okay, division modulo 2. Okay, set A is such that set A when acha, one more thing, Hussein, whenever we are writing set in terms of some label, we always use capital letters to denote set instead of small letters. So as you written here, set A is such a set. This line should be rectified. Set A should be capital. Are you
Okay,
getting,
sir.
Hussein? Are you there? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Set
sir.
A is such that it is a collection of all the element m such that m is multiple of 2 and m is a integer. Okay. Now here Ajay Kumar is saying x belongs to m. What is now this x belongs to m? It is belonging to natural set and there exists m. So Ajay Kumar, we are discussing right now what is the characteristics of that set A. So here, although you tried exclusively with respect to some other sets like natural set that is denoted by capital N,
Yes,
let us
sir. The
simplify
element
this.
is it is a natural number and it is multiple of 2 as
Yeah, yeah,
well.
correct. But let us simplify this at present, and then later on we will revisit with respect to some other set like what you mentioned as a natural set. For time being, we will not discuss with anything with respect to natural set. I am not saying you are wrong, but let us avoid this at present. Let us discuss with respect to that
Okay,
set
sir.
A characteristics. M is even number. Okay. X. What is this? X. Acha. Gaurav also tried by that way. Natural set. Okay. Then m is greater than 2 and m modulo 2 is equal to 0. So everyone, you can see by the perception, by visual, having a visualization of what elements are there, you came out with some various ways you are able to write these answers. And uh, is n is divisible by 2. If you write this way, then Sarah, 0 is not there in that set. Even 0 is a positive integer. No?
Yes,
So
sir.
this condition is not containing 0. Exclusively, we are having in our set 0 is not there in our set. So we cannot claim that property. What is that property? M is divisible by 2 and M is having positive integer. So if you want to exclusively see, if I go with this definition, then 0 should also come here, but 0 is not member of this. So we need to cross check. Again, coming back to Ruchi now, M is integer. Which integer? It is not mentioned. So if I say, if I take any integer, no, M is 10, M is minus 100, I can take anything. So it is bounded now, as Ruchi said, M is greater than or equal to 2. So there is no problem. M is greater than or equal to 2 and M is integer. Okay, then that means we should have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is not here. Are you getting, Ruchi?
Yes,
Ruchi,
sir.
are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
You are saying M is greater than or equal to 2, that is perfectly all right. But when you said and M is integer, so 3 is also integer and 3 is greater than or equal to 2.
Yes, sir. I actually didn't see the set properly.
Okay, but it is not part of 3 should be part of A, but it is not part of A. So therefore, M is integer is some way need to be rectified. Coming back to this, n is greater than 2 and n modulo 2 is n division modulo 2 is equal to 0. This is perfectly all right. Even this is perfectly all right. It is same thing. M is multiple of 2. M is a integer. But in this case, 0 can also come. Hussein, if I go with this, 0 is also multiple of 2. 2 into 0. 0 is a positive integer. It is not reflected here. So somewhere the characteristics is not rightly captured, or whatever characteristics you have written, if I go with that characteristics, I am not getting this set as it is. So this is just a practice what we discuss. Everyone, I think, more or less everyone have tried in a perfect way. So let me come back where I was in this discussion. It is like this. I am sure now you have understood how to write this. Explicitly you are mentioning the elements, implicitly you are having explicitly you are having some objects, implicitly you are having some element. In set builder notation you are having some characteristics. Like in general, how you write set builder notation: set A is collection of set A is collection of all the element x such that some property is holding true for that all the elements of x, some property, some characteristics. So going ahead, for time being, I will avoid discussion about this because we have not yet used all these propositional variables and operators. We'll have further discussion when we will study the logic. These are certain notations used for that. We'll see this later. Let me go ahead. Hmm, okay, what is the last? Can we use any? No, I will skip this. Skipping. Yeah. Next is. Let me just uh, let me go to this propositional logic. Let me skip this. Yeah, come back to the various other forms of the set notation. What are the standard sets which are already pre-described, having some pre-described label? Okay, so stands for capital N stands for set of natural numbers. Okay, so what is meaning of natural numbers?
Number
Natural
starting from
numbers,
1.
yeah,
Number starting from
numbers
1.
starting from 1
Yes.
or 0.
So that
Natural
is
numbers are starting from 1 or 0.
1. 1, sir. 0
1.
comes in whole numbers.
0 comes in whole number, okay? So this is set n, which is a natural number. This is not my slide, this is slide of a particular book.
Sir,
There are
your
certain.
screen is not
Sir,
showing.
your screen is not presented.
Okay, wait. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. I am talking here. Set n is collection of all the non-negative integer. Okay. If you take all set of integers, then it is denoted by capital Z. If you want to talk only positive, then Z plus. If you want to talk only negative, then Z minus. Similarly, W contains 0, 1, 2, 3. All the natural set contains all the integers starting
Sir,
from 0.
n contains 0 also.
Pardon?
N contains 0 also.
N contains 0 also. What is set natural number? Can anybody tell me now? You already completed this in your previous
Natural number starts
mathematics.
from
Sir, it starts from 1.
so here it is mentioned that it is non-zero integer.
1 0 integer. Okay. So I am just leaving this exercise to you. Why 0 is not included into the natural number? Just take it in your exercise. Why n is not having 0? Definitely, you are right. N do not contain 0. There is a whole number w which contains 0. But why 0 is not involved in natural number? Think this and come back with answer. There should be logical reasoning why set n is not having 0. And why w then? There is another w is superset of n. N is a subset of w. Okay, one more key concept I forgot to introduce. Wait, let me go here. Set A is equal to 1. Now set B is equal to 1 comma 2. Set C is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
Sir,
sir,
yeah.
basically zero is a means a negative. A zero does not have a positive or a negative value, and natural
Ah,
number is only consist of a positive integers, not a negative integer.
correct,
Therefore, it does
correct,
not contain zero.
correct, correct. So when we say set n is a natural number. Natural number, of course, it is. We are talking about integers, and that too positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 is also integer, but it is neutral, neither negative nor positive. When we say whole natural number means in real time we are having positive numbers, and later on in mathematics negative numbers came into the picture after 0. Okay, so then whole number comprised of 0 came later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 was discovered later after these numbers, and therefore 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, it is a whole set of integers. And then if we want in a negative direction to go, then in negative infinity, then we have all the two parts, negative side as well as positive side, including the neutral side, that is 0. It's collection of all the integers, that is capital Z. Only positive side Z plus, only negative side Z minus. We'll come back to that shortly. The point of discussion is this now. If, okay, let me write another set D that is equal to 1. Fine. So, what is the definition of equal set?
sir, which have
So,
the same
yeah,
elements.
yeah. When we say set A is equal to set B, that means all the elements belonging to set A are also belonging to set B. But this is not one direction, it is both direction. As well as all the elements belonging to set B is also belonging to set A. Okay, prior to equal set, let us discuss what is subset. That is more important. Subset. What is the symbol of subset? Let me just check whether I do have here or not. Yeah, subset. So this symbol stands for belonging. I'm highlighting right now. X belongs to set yes. That means whether X is part of set yes or no. Whether X belongs to set S, then this is belongs Yeah. So what I was talking, subset. Subset means what? X belongs to set yes. X do not belong to set yes. These are all symbols. When we say set A is a subset of set B, this is the notation, subset notation. What does it mean? A is subset of B. What does it mean? All the elements of set A are also belonging to set B. It doesn't mean all the elements of B should also belong to set A. I will again repeat what is meaning of A. When we say A is subset of set A is subset of set B, when all the elements of set A are also belonging to set B. Okay. So with respect to this is one of the example. Let us take this example. Can anybody tell me which set is subset of other set as per that definition?
A is subset of B.
A is subset of B. Okay.
B is subset of D. C.
Okay. Let us go line by line. Let me know A is subset of which other sets?
B and C.
So B and C.
Why not D?
Uh, because they are equal.
D.
It is subset also and it is equal also.
So
We
they
are
are
not talking
equal
anything
set.
about equal now. We are not talking about anything with respect to equal. We are talking right now with respect to subset. What is the, when we
Yes,
say
it is.
set A
So
is
A
subset
will
of set
be
B?
subset
A
of
will be
D.
subset of D also.
It will be subset.
Okay. A is subset of B. Okay, I will just write here A. So I will just write all the sets A, B, C, D. Okay. So now tell me, A is subset of which other set?
So B, C, and D.
B, comma, C, comma, D. Okay. B is subset of
C.
C.
C. Okay. D, C is subset of?
No, so
No one.
no one.
No. No one. Okay. Okay. D is subset of?
A, B,
So
C.
A, B, C.
Okay. I am asking a question.
So
Let me
खुद का
use
भी हो
the,
सकता है ना?
pardon?
C will be
Ah,
subset of C also, right?
yeah, that is what I want to know. Let us go by A only. Is set A is a subset of set A? Is it satisfying the property?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the property when we say one set is a subset of another set, when all the elements of set A are also belonging to set B, then we say set A is subset of set B. So I just want to know, A is subset of set A?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
B is subset of set B.
Yes, sir.
C is subset of set C.
Yes.
So what is the conclusion from this?
Each
What is the
each set is a
conclusion?
subset of itself.
Absolutely perfect. Every set is subset of itself. This is absolutely right. Just let me just type here C. C. This is D, no? D. Okay. 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 So the important characteristics that you have learned now. Each set is subset of itself. This is Venn diagram. This is immaterial at present. I will not talk. Okay, there is another concept that is called as proper subset. There is a difference between subset and proper subset. So, what is meaning of proper subset and how it is denoted? Let me just go back to the slide. You can see here. Just check whether that symbol is there or not. Yeah, it is proper subset. This is meaning of proper subset. I'm highlighting right now here. When we say A is proper subset of B, when A is a proper subset of B when all the elements of set A are also belonging to set B, and there is at least one element belongs to B which is not belonging to set A. Or in other terms, when all the elements of set A are belonging to set B and cardinality of A and B are not equal, they are not equal, then we say A is proper subset of B. Is it clear or not? Any question in this?
So can you repeat?
Okay, I will again repeat. First of all,
Sir,
what
can you
is
please
subset?
explain with example?
Okay, I will explain with example, but prior to that, let me give you the notation. What is the difference? Okay, what is meaning of A is subset of B? Everyone knows now. When we say set A is set a subset of set B, when all the element X belonging to set A, this is the interpretation. All the elements X which are belonging to set A are also belonging to set B. Then we say A is subset of B, and this is denoted by this symbol. Okay. When we say A is proper subset of B, proper subset. When A to have a proper subset, the condition number one, A should be first of all subset of B. That has to be there. If A is subset of B and another is thing, A is not equal to B, then we say A is proper subset of B. When A becomes equal to B, it is not proper subset. It is subset. Let me come back to the example. Okay, tell me now whether A is subset of set B, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I am asking again whether set A is a proper subset of set B, yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. I am asking the question now whether set A is a proper subset of set A.
No.
No.
Why no?
No.
Because the number of elements are same.
A is
Okay.
equal to
So when we say proper subset, when let us say A is a proper subset of B, when we do say this, when all the element of set A are part of set B, and there is at least one element in set B which is not there in set A. In other words, when all the elements of set A are belonging to set B and cardinality of set A is less than cardinality of set B. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So for proper subset, A should be subset of. There are two things. A should be subset. A should be subset of B as well as another condition is what? Cardinality of A should be less than cardinality of B. If this satisfies, then we say A is proper subset of B. So now tell me what are the proper subsets of A with respect to this example.
B and C.
B and
C.
C. Okay. So with respect to B,
C.
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 With respect to C,
No one.
no one, none. With respect to D,
B and C.
B comma C. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Pardon? Okay. So what we discussed, what is meaning of subset, what is meaning of proper subset. If you go in opposite direction, when we say A is subset of B, you can have another way. What is relation of B with respect to A? B is a superset of A. So exactly the symbol is something like this. Let me go back to change here. When we
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Can you please explain what are those symbols on the previous slide you
Okay,
showed?
for 5 plus, if we want to add two numbers 5 and 6, what is the symbol that we write in algebraic form?
Plus addition.
Similarly, when we want to say set A is subset of set B, there is a standard symbol. This symbol indicates, see, when we say set A is subset of B, then this is the symbol. This opening part is towards
Yes.
the higher set.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when we want to say, means see, for example, when we are writing something from left to right and higher set is at the right side, it is just like you are writing 5 is less than 3. Let me use the pen, then you will get the idea. See there, wait, 5 is greater than 3. Okay, you can write another way also. 3 is less than 5.
Yes, sir.
So
Understood this.
these symbols are playing role with respect to the data. Similarly, these symbols plays the role with respect to what is your data. Means this this opening part this is the I'm not able to use this properly. Wait, let me clear this. Okay, so this when you write no, this is half open part. No, this half open part is always facing towards a set which is having cardinality more. So if you look at here, this is facing towards this, and if this is towards the right side, that means the right side set is having high cardinality compared to this. If it is facing to the left side, that means this set is having high cardinality with respect to this. So if you want to read this, how we will read this? Set A is superset of set B. When we say set A is superset of set B, when all the element of set B are belonging to set A.
Sir, so that can
Here.
also be said as B is a subset of A.
Yes. No. Wait. B is a subset of A. Yes. Obviously, when I say 5 is greater than 3, I can alternatively also say 3 is less than 5. Okay. In the similar line, when I say A is subset of B, then I can also say B is superset of A. Please excuse me my handwriting. I'm not able to draw this properly. When I say A is subset of B, I can alternatively say B is superset of A. In line with this. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for subset, this is the notation. For subset, this is the notation. For superset, this is the notation. That's it. So for proper subset, this is the notation where the equal sign is not there. For proper superset, this is the notation where the equal sign is not there. Is it clear? Okay. So let me know now superset. We'll quickly wind up as we are ending towards time. So what is A superset of which other set? Quickly.
A. A and D.
A and D, yes. B superset of yes.
A and D.
A and D.
A and D only. B
And
cannot
B.
be superset
B
of
also.
other. Yes.
B also.
Yes. Yes. What about C?
A, B, C, D.
CD only.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A and B as well. Correct. And D.
A and D.
B, C, D.
A.
A and D.
A and
Sorry,
D. I am
A
talking
and-
about superset.
Yes,
And
sir.
when you
A
go
and-
for the proper superset, you will exclude that set itself from this. Okay. So I think we are ending towards the time and we'll stop here. Before closing, you post your roll number followed by your name in the chat box also as a attendance.
Sir, roll number, the old one what we had.
I'm sure you must have received your roll numbers.
So the new one is not confirmed.
Okay. As per your roll number of attendance sheet, you just mention your roll number followed by your name in the chat box.
So which last year means in the first year what we had, we can write that on,
No, no. I request all of you. You just get in touch with the class coordinator and get your roll number. Roll numbers are
So
already
in
So
ERP,
on
in
ERP, our roll
ERP, our
numbers are
roll numbers
mentioned also.
are mentioned.
mentioned. Na? Then you
Yes,
put
sir.
that roll number. Whatever roll
Yes,
number is there
so we
in
are putting
ERP.
our new roll numbers right now.
In ERP, whatever is your roll number, put that roll number in your chat box followed by your name. And then you can log off.